Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I would let you guys know that this is a collaboration with Designs with Jenna. She also does some cleaning videos as well as DIYs and some hauls. So definitely go check her out. Her link will be in the description box below. So let's get started with these quick and easy Dollar Tree DIYs. So the very first project we are doing are these cute snowmen, and all these things here is what you need for this project. My best friend actually got this inspiration off of Pinterest. I will link the photo link below so you guys to see what we were trying to accomplish. Well, not trying, it actually came out pretty cute. So the first step you do is pretty much take some Mod Podge and put it all up in that wine glass and just go all the way around. So once you are done putting all the Mod Podge inside the wine glass, all you have to do is take this fake snow and just pour it inside, and make sure you get every single corner, every single inch of this wine glass so you could create a little snow effect. So we wanted to add some little snow on the bottom of the wine glass. So we did the same thing, just Mod Podged it and then added the snow right on top. So this is where all the fun begins, because you get to start making the face of the snowman. So all you have to do is use some paint, which is the basic orange for the nose and black for like the eyebrows, or whatever you want to actually use that with, like the mouth. And these buttons we used for the eyes. So, did you see how adorable they came out? They came out super cute, super easy, and like I said, we got this inspiration from a Pinterest, guys, a Pinterest photo, which will be linked below as a reminder. And with these ornaments, all we really did was put some hot glue gun on top of the ring of the wine glass and just pressed it right on there, and there you go, a little cute little wine snowman. It's so adorable, honestly, guys. I absolutely loved how these came out. And just to do a little more to it, I made a ribbon. I guess the best way you could describe creating this ribbon is if you turn it into like a cancer ribbon, and then you just squeeze the middle just like that. Well, there you go, girl, just like that. And then you just take whatever type of little, I guess you could take a string or a wire and just pretty much wrap it around so the bow could actually stay. In our case, we didn't have either of them, so what my best friend did was grabbed the wire from a bread yeah, from a bread twist tie, and we used that because we had to improvise because we did not have any wirings. And then once you're done doing that cute little bow, you just pop it on the little snowman, and then there you go. It's so cute. You'll see it just in about a few minutes. Look how adorable they came out. Super cute, super easy, and very affordable. I just can't get over how cute they are. I am so happy how they turned out, and I am happy that my best friend wanted to do this DIY because it's so cute. All right, so the next DIY is pretty much just doing a Christmas tree, decorating a little Christmas tree inside this silver bucket. And just like normal, all you really have to do is use all types of Christmas balls and this, I forgot what that's called, a little Christmas tree, guys. Of course, I am drawing a blank when I do these things. But anyways, this foam needs to be put inside so it could give a little bit of the height for the Christmas tree to pop up more. So all we did here was measured it out and then just popped it in, and then pretty much everything you'll see here is pretty much straightforward. All we did is just pop it in there, added the tree, just stuck it up in there. You'll see us trying to put hot glue gun. However, that did not work. All you really have to do is just squeeze that Christmas tree right on top of that. We actually hot glued gun the foam right to the tray so it does not move around inside. So in order for this tree not to look so empty, because since it is a Dollar Tree item, it's really, doesn't have much of the greenery. So she bought some more greenery just to make it more fuller. And also, guys, just to let you guys know, we actually got inspired by another YouTuber that actually did this. I will have her link in the description box below. Just to give credit where credit is due. I am just, we just wanted to have fun and just do a girls' night DIY. So we ended up just doing cute little DIYs that we got inspired from other photos or from YouTube videos. Anyways, guys, pretty much our next step is decorate the Christmas tree. I honestly think this came out super cute and super affordable and super fun to do. So to add more to this tree to make it look fuller, we ended up just putting pine cones and some of the areas that are, needed some stuff. And then she also got this ornament that we just both pasted on ours. And in just a few seconds, you'll see us, there you go, you'll see us putting paint on the tree so it could look all nice and frosty. And this is how they turned out. They came out so cute, so adorable. And for my DIY projects, I just ended up using this little sign from my fall decor and just painted it white because I couldn't find any more at Dollar Tree because of course they probably just sold out. And I wanted to make a cute little floral arrangement. You guys will see my dining room table is super tiny, so therefore my floral arrangement could not be so big. So what I did was painted this sign and have that as the base, and then I took these foams, keep saying forms, I don't know why, but these foams, and just stick it in there so it could help, keep the florals in line, in check, guys, So anyways, guys, I suggest you actually hot gluing the foams together because they do kind of pop out, because I wasn't really thinking at this point, honestly, and I didn't realize they were gonna almost tilt over. But I honestly think this little thing arrangement came out super cute, and all you really have to do is just poke the holes up in there, make it look all nice and pretty, make it all filled, use as much florals as you want, add some pine cones, add some cherries, do whatever you feel is pretty, honestly. And I also thought this project was super cute. You guys will see this in my decorate with me video, which I already posted. So yeah, guys, that is all for my DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 simple cute DIYs, and yeah, make sure to subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will let you guys go. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.